Modunjai, former Director of Health Promotion and Education, Ministry of Health, on Wednesday urges the Gambian media to continue working closely with the Ministry of Health to get information required for their work. He makes the remarks while delivering an emotional farewell address before the media, staff of the Ministry of Health and well-wishers at the Central Medical Store Complex in Kotu. Speaking to journalists, Njai calls on all media houses to continue working closely with the ministry to get all information they will need for their work.
Very good relationship. My advice to the media houses is that I have gone. There is a team on the ground. There is going to be a director. Please work with that director and the entire team and work with the Minister of Health. Please, if you are not happy with either what I have done to you or my team have done to you or what we have done to you as a ministry, I want to say we are sincerely sorry and I want to extend this apology to all of you if we have one way or the other offended you. Because this is part of our work. When we are working, we must offend each other at some point. And that's the apology I'm asking for, and I'm seeking this from all of you. And I think as we work, we're going to rectify some of the challenges along the way. But I want to say that work closely with the Minister of Health. If you need information, go to the right authorities, and the health promotion that will be there to link you up with the right authorities, and so that you can get the right information, and also you can be able to report. But please, please, please work with the Minister of Health very closely. In fact, stronger than before. Try to strengthen the relationship. Try to strengthen it as much as you can. Much more than before.
He explains the importance of the media in their work.
With the media, it's one of the cardinal principles of health promotion. Working with the media. We have to work with and through the media if we are able to effectively implement health promotion interventions anywhere in the world. We also talk about another principle is partnership, networking, and collaboration. We need to collaborate with partners, and that was why, because health promotion cuts across all sectors, that is why we feel the media should be along with us so that we can be able to communicate to the public, because this is something that we have established. But we are also happy as a ministry that the structure we have established with the support of WHO is a structure that the sub-region, West Africa, is proud that we have a structure like that, and they are also asking countries to emulate a structure like the Gambia.
Njai further advises the media to continue selling the ministry's agenda for the betterment of the country.
Try to sell the agenda of the Minister of Health, the positive agenda. Wherever you think the ministry is not doing right, kindly have an internal meeting with them. Go and sit with the authorities and tell them, I have seen A, B, and C. Before I publish, what do you think about this? What is your view about this? I think that will also help. So that is my advice. And I want to say, again, thank you all.
Modunjai secured an international appointment as a national coordinator, Western Regional Coordination Centers with the African Center for Disease Control and Prevention in Abuja, Nigeria, effective 1st November 2022, and his responsibilities include overseeing between 5 to 10 countries in West Africa, according to a statement by the ministry. Speaking on behalf of the journalist Mafuji Sise, president of the Health Journalists Association, thanks Mr. Njai for playing a vital role in uplifting their career over the past years.
I can see the help rendered to my predecessors. Monjai is somebody who helped us to. Today we can write so many health stories, international, local, whatsoever. I attended so many international forums where the level of the media, particularly the health, how he contributed to bring all the health journalists together to promote health in this country. None of the other sub-regions, they have something like that. So when we go out, I represent the association not long ago to Benin, where when we mentioned some of our achievements, they were shocked because countries like those ones, they are very big countries, but they don't have something like that. So they asked me how can they go why can they achieve something like that? All that I can say is proudly and said is the director of health promotion, who is known but Modern Jai. And I am happy today he's joining that African CDC.
The president of the Health Journalists Association calls on the incoming director to follow the footsteps of his predecessor by working closely with the media houses. Mas Juve, a staff at the Director of Health Promotion at the Ministry of Health, also thanks Mulunjai for his endless support during his days as a director.
Has been a person, a figure with charisma that have really coached us, mentored us, inculcated professional habits in us, such that today he is leaving us, but he is leaving the professionalism behind. He is leaving the brains that should pick up the job of this directorate to ensure that you, the people of various media, work with us and continue working with us to ensure that whenever issues or emergencies happen, you sit with us to ensure that information are shared as you used to. We have passed through difficult moments, ranging or starting from the Ebola period, the COVID period. Today we're talking about AKI, and even campaigns have come and passed, and yet we are holding campaigns. Whenever we need the media, you are always present. Whenever we engage you, no matter how difficult, be it with incentives or not, you are always present. And I think I cannot say a better thank you than Modou Njai would tell you today.
Njai has served the Ministry of Health in various capacities for 30 years, ranging from field public health officer to being a director and considered an architect of the Director of Health Promotion and Education. Meanwhile, Modou Njai awards certificates to media houses and some journalists in recognition of their role and contribution towards the national response on risk communication and community engagement in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic in the Gambia. Reporting for Kerr Fatou, I am Ramatulai Jao.